hoping for an exciting match here today. Well, I've just been handed the team sheet. Let's see how they'll line up. They're playing 4-1-2-1-2. This diamond-shaped midfield supports both defence and attack. They're going attacking with a 4-3-3 formation. Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today. Here's Ronaldo. Nifty bit of footwork there. He goes for goal. That's a fantastic goal. Fantastic work from the goal scorer and his team. A much-deserved goal. Oh, we need to see that goal again. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got that goal. We're back underway. Sends it long. He's headed the ball forward. It's Ronaldo. Here's Mane. The keeper collects that one. Oh, and dispossessed there. Now it's Griezmann. It's Messi with the ball. He kicks the ball away from danger. That's nicely played. Oh, it's a clear chance. Messi shoots. What a finish. The manager will already be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. And we're back underway, but how will